చూడండి, explain the stability of Fe3CO12 and chromium cobalt hexacarbonyl chromium, that is using the 18 electron rule. సో ఈ రెండు Fe3CO12 CrCOC6, this is the carbonyl ligand, is the central atom is the iron here also. సో 18 ఎలక్ట్రాన్ రూల్ను ఉపయోగించి వీటి యొక్క స్థిరత్వాన్ని గురించి వివరించమన్నప్పుడు సో మనం ఏ విధంగా చేయాలనేది ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేసినట్లయితే, ఫస్ట్ కాంపౌండ్, లెట్ us టేక్ ద ఫస్ట్ కాంపౌండ్ ఇయర్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కాంపౌండ్ ఇయర్, దట్ ఈస్ ద సో ఇయర్ Fe3CO12. So simple, you have to take the what is the central atom here, the iron. Iron means just you have to see iron, that is the iron, just we are going to taking the iron. Iron is the 26, that is the atomic number. The configuration is the argon, and this is the 4s2 3d6. So how many valence electrons means just you can add it to the 2 plus 6. Total how many valence electrons? 8 electrons in the valence shell of iron. Let us take the first going to the here. So like that you have to find a number of valence electrons in iron. One atom, first of all, 8 electrons in one iron. So 3 iron means 3 into iron. So 3 into 8 means that is the 24 electrons. So number of electrons by that is the ligand. So how many ligand? 12 ligand. 12 ligand, each ligand can donate the 2 electrons. ఒక లైగాండ్ అనేది 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్లను దానం చేస్తుంది. కావున ఇక్కడ 24, 12 into 2 అంటే 24. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో వన్ పాయింట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద హౌ మెనీ సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్స్ ఈజ్ దేర్ హియర్, హౌ మెనీ సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్స్ ఈజ్ దేర్, దట్ ఈస్ దట్ పాయింట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్. Central atom is, that is how many central atoms? 3 central atoms is there, that is the one iron is like that, one iron here, like that here, one iron. So 3 ligands arrangement like this, just example. So how many bond formation? 3 bonds, 1 2 3. 1 bond formation కు కావాల్సిన ఎలక్ట్రాన్లు ఏంటంటే 2. సో at least 2 electrons is required to formation of 1 bond between the 2 atoms. So 3 bonds means 3 into 2. So let us take the here, just you have to observe 3 metal bonds, and 3 into 2 6 electrons here. Total adding this values 54 you get. So total how many metal atoms? 54 by 3, or this is also noble gas configuration, otherwise you can dividing by 54 by 3. So it will get the how many electrons? 18 electrons. So the given compound is the more stable compound. So let us take the next one here. So what is the hexacarbonyl chromium compound? You have to take the central atom is the chromium. So chromium is the central atom. What is the chromium? Is the simple, you have to write down 24 electrons. So adding the 2, 4 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 valent electrons in the chromium atom. So how many chromium? Only 1. So 6 electrons you can draw, that is the here. Next one is the number of electrons by this the one ligand. How many? 2 electrons. 6 into 2, that is the 12 electrons. There is no metal bonds, so 12 plus 6, 18 electrons. This compound also more stable. So like that you have to find out easily. So explain the stability of Fe3CO12 and CrCO6 by using 18 electrons rule. Like that you have to find out. Next let us take the another compound. 2 more compounds here we are going to see, that is the Fe2CO9. So metal atom already we very well known, that is the iron. So number of valence electrons already iron, just now we have to observe iron is the 26. 26 means 2 plus 8 is, that is 18 electron. 2 means 2 into here, 2 into iron means that is the 16 electrons. Electron donated by the ligand. Ligand means that is the 9 into CO, 18 electrons. Number of metal 2 metal means 1 bond, 2 electrons required, that is total adding 36. 36 by total how many metal atom? 2. So it will get the 18 electrons. సో ఈ విధంగా మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. నికెల్ టెట్రాకార్బనైల్ చూసినట్లయితే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నికెల్ ఇస్ ద 28. 2 plus 8 means that is the 10 valence electrons. 4 ligand means 4 into 2, that is the 8 electrons. 10 plus 8, 18 electrons. This is also stable compound. Next one is the pentacarbonyl iron is there. Metal atom number of electrons 8 electrons. Already just now we have to observe 26, that is the 2 plus 8 is the 8 electrons. Carbonyl 5 means 5 to 10 electrons. This is also total electron is the 18 electrons. So like that you have to find out the stability of compound by using the 18 electrons rules. Okay, 18 or 36 or 54. So this type of total number of electrons find out automatically that compound also stable. Means ఫైనల్గా మనం కనుక్కున్న ఎలక్ట్రాన్లు నోబుల్ గ్యాస్ విన్యాసాన్ని పొందినట్లయితే ఆ సమ్మేళనాలు అనేటివి స్టేబుల్గా ఉండింటాయి. అదొకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే.